Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to delete chats on Polybuzz AI. To delete chats in Polybuzz AI, start by opening your list of conversations where all your previous chats are displayed, then locate the specific chat you want to remove without opening it. Press and hold the chat until the menu appears, which will usually give you options such as hide, topic management, or delete. Select the delete option, and the app will warn you that all chat records or related data will be permanently removed, so make sure you really want to proceed before confirming. Once you tap delete, the conversation will be immediately removed from your list, and if you go back to that character or chat section, it will no longer appear, meaning the history has been fully erased from your account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.